So this morning, I'm gonna do, I think, a couple dives in the pool.
Oh, yeah,
And where are you going out?
I don't know. I'm like, kind of like start work today.
Work.
So I need to do my orientation, get my crew pack, and now I'm gonna be a official worker. I don't know.
She's not working though, visa people. She is not working.
Oh, I'm not working. I'm doing an internship.
Yep, unpaid.
So now I just kind of hop on dives when I want to.
So
Hopefully.
she's gonna try to get like close to 100 dives in the next 2 months.
Yeah, that'll be good.
It'll be good. So I actually accidentally bought soft-boiled eggs instead of hard-boiled eggs because I thought they were just hard-boiled eggs. And they're soft.
Oh.
They're really soft. Do you want my soft-boiled egg, puppy? Because I know I don't want my soft-boiled egg. You don't even want to do you though. Bye-bye. So we're off to, well, I'm off to class. You don't have class till like noon. But we've got an extra camera for Mandi for underwater. But once we kind of figure that stuff out more, she'll start filming more. Yeah? Yeah? I spent the whole day in the pool and I got back and Mandi told me, what did you see today?
I saw my first whale shark. Oh. I'm really excited about it. And then I got to play with the puffer fish. And then I saw a barracuda that was huge. And it was awesome. It was a really good day. I'm sorry, babe. I'm sure the pool was a lot of fun.
I got scolded for filming and I can't film tomorrow when I'm in the ocean. But hopefully Mandi will be coming along and we'll try to get her so she can film me. Be a little stingy, you know, but I don't blame them. It's like, if things go wrong, they go wrong.
Yeah.
Especially like people that are just learning to dive.
I think, yeah, they're just concerned about your safety and don't want anything going wrong and you having a camera and you're...
I don't blame him.
Yeah.
I'm a liability. There's a crab in the middle of the road that's about to get hit. Is he gonna get hit? Whoa! Come on, crab, over here.